Hello folks, and welcome to another quick video. Today this is a video about the seats in my Volvo. I recently put a video on the channel whereby I had the seats bolster replaced here, and you might have noticed in that video that my seats are quite dirty. Now these seats, believe it or not, are clean, except this is all obviously ingrained into the seat itself after a lot of use. The car's about 10 years old now. And recently on one of the channels I had a tip on how to get these up, hopefully a bit more like that. And the tip was to use this stuff. Apparently this is brilliant, and it's very, very mild abrasive, but it's perfect for leather. You apply it with a sponge, a little bit of this stuff, and then dip it in water and dry it off with a dry cloth. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some conditioner on it, on the seats, and to feed them as well, and hopefully that'll work. So let's see what happens. Right, so now I've never used this stuff before, so I may be about to absolutely ruin my car seats, but I'm going to give it a try. And yeah, here we go. I'm taking the sponge, take a little bit of the stuff onto the sponge, and then just work it in and see if it brings up. Yeah, and I can see straight away that's making a huge difference. Just showing you the difference sort of halfway through. I've just done this area and this area quickly with that stuff. Obviously I need to still get into the dents and things here, but I've just given it a quick once over. Comparing it to the main piece of the seat, which I haven't touched yet, there's a huge difference in fairness. Give you even more of a contrast, and I've cleaned this one on purpose, leaving the ones either side a bit dirty, and then the same here. So this stuff is really working. There we go. Fast forward a few minutes now, and bottom section is done. I've started working up here as well, so it's made a huge difference in fairness. So definitely top tip, get some pink stuff, it'll clean your leather seats up, folks. So here you go then, this is the finished result. I've just put a feed on these as well now, just to nourish them a little bit, and I'll leave the car a couple of hours before I drive it. Close up then, that is a lot better than what was there previously at the start of the video and in my other video when we had this bolster changed because of the cracks. So I'm still very happy with the results of this, and now I'm very happy with the results of that too. These seats are a bit more presentable now than the passenger seat as well, so I'm going to give this car a couple of hours now for that conditioner to sink in, and the job's a good one. Thank you very much for the tips on the Volvo C30 group on Facebook, and if you've found any use of this video, please take the time to leave me a comment or subscribe to my channel for more Volvo hints and tips. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Cheers.